Struggling with a PDF full of data tables that can't be copied into Excel? Need to analyze the data but can't edit it? The best solution is to convert the PDF into an Excel spreadsheet. However, manually converting each file is time-consuming and tedious. No worries, we can automate this process using low-code platforms like Make. With the help of PDF tools, Make can handle batch processing of documents, significantly improving efficiency. Let's dive into how to make this happen. Here, we'll use Google Drive as an example. First, upload your PDF document to Google Drive. For instance, take this PDF containing a complete data table. Simply drag and drop the file into your Google Drive or click Upload to add it. Next, open the Make platform and log into your account. If you don't have an account, sign up first. Then create a new scenario and name it. We'll call it PDF to Excel. Click to select Google Drive as the trigger. Select Download a file in the options. Select the PDF document to process and confirm. Now click the plus icon to add the next step. Search for ComPDFKit PDF Converter, which supports all types of PDF conversions. Select PDF to Excel and create a task. To connect to ComPDFKit PDF Converter, you need to enter your license key. Go to the ComPDF API website and sign up for a free account. After signing up, go to the dashboard and copy your license key. Go back to Make, paste your license key, and proceed to the next step. Upload the file and select the task ID. For better conversion results, you can configure the parameters according to the ComPDF API reference. Click here to view the API reference. Where you will find a description of all parameter settings. First parameter specifies what to extract. If you only need tables, set it to 2, and for tables and text, set it to 3. Second parameter, select how to create worksheets. Set it to 1 to create a separate worksheet for each table in the PDF, to 2 to create a worksheet for each page, or to 3 to merge all tables into one worksheet. Other parameters include options for images, annotations, OCR, and AI-driven table recognition. Copy the code and back to Make. Paste the code and set the parameters. In this example, I set the first parameter to 2 extract-only tables, and the second parameter to 1 create a separate worksheet for each table. Other parameters can remain at their default settings, or you can delete the ones you don't need. Select Start Task. Then select the repeater in the flow control to repeat the next step, until the information in the PDF document has been completely extracted. Select Get File Information. Then, add a router to handle 2 cases. Tool route. If the target file is not generated, return to re-get the file information. HTTP route. If the target file is generated, return the file URL. Set filters for both routes. For the tool route, set the condition to does not exist. For the HTTP route, set it to exists. After the HTTP route, add a step to save the converted file. Select Google Drive as the destination and select Upload File. Save as new file. Parse the JSON and add an error handler to complete the workflow by right-clicking and selecting Submit. Once everything is set up, click Run once to start the automation. Open your Google Drive and you'll find the converted Excel file there. Download it. Open it. Perfectly converted. No lost formatting or messed up data.